National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for west central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern George County in southeastern Mississippi, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles west of Theodore, moving northwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mobile Regional Airport around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Santa Williams around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wilmer around 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time.